For the short and wide billy, we've got the accessories already set out here, so I have an accurate count. You can see we've got some spares this time. Step one, putting the dowels in these pieces here, outside holes. And this one's all 4 holes. Step 2. Screwing these in place. I'd hand screw them. I wouldn't use an electric drill or a screwdriver. That's why you gotta be careful, because when you do that, you're breaking off some of this particle board, which is gonna make that not as solid. So take your time. Step 3. So if we're following the diagram, we're going to put the one with the line up on top, opposite of that end that's tapered. Remembering that's the back of the shelf. This is the front, so this smooth side should be facing the front. And of course here, the shortest distance here is going to go on the bottom. Step 4 is to secure these 2 shelves. The gap will be towards the top. I'm sorry, the gap will be towards the bottom. Turn clockwise until it stops. Step 5 is placing this on top. Let's start with this side. All right. Get this bottom one. Bring this one in. Now, I'm going to put some paper to kind of soften the blow. I don't have my rubber mallet. Step 6. Secure it in place. Open side on top here in this case. Turn it clockwise. Step 7. Half moons towards the top. You can lift back here, just make sure it gets in the groove over there. This also includes placing these inserts. Being careful that they stay inside the hole. And the pins. And finally lifting it up. Step 8 has you marking the wall behind it where you're going to place it. I'm not sure of our placement yet, so 8 through 12 I am going to skip because it's mounting the brackets onto the shelves. So we're going to go right to actually just mounting the shelves until we're actually ready to do those steps. Step 12. Putting your pins in to hold the shelves. These are different than other types of shelves. So the shelves have a hole in the bottom for you to place them. So these are different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A lot faster just to count instead of trying to eyeball it when you're going from one side to the other. Here it's easy to eyeball. Let's go up the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 13. Here are the holes I'm talking about.